Let's face it, we all love the crispy texture and mouth-watering taste of deep-fried dishes. Fried chicken, French fries, spring rolls, and calamari. But sadly, these foods are so harmful to our bodies, submerged in excessive oil. Our favorite foods will potentially lead us to a greater risk of heart problems, not to mention becoming overweight and overall degrading your quality of life. This is why an air fryer is an essential household item as of 2023. From sleek designs to intuitive controls, these air fryers offer you the opportunity to indulge in your favorite fried foods without compromising your health. In case you are skeptical about which air fryer to buy, we've scoured the options and read countless reviews to put together a list of the best air fryers out there. Here are the top 3 air fryers of 2023. All of these air fryers will be in the description of this video. Number 1. Ninja Foodi Dual Zone. First and foremost, the dual zone technology sets this air fryer apart. It features 2 independent cooking zones, allowing you to cook 2 different dishes simultaneously at different temperatures and cooking times. This means you can prepare a complete meal in one go, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. Another standout feature is the large cooking capacity. With its generous size, you can cook for the whole family, or even entertain guests without worrying about space limitations. No more batch cooking or waiting for multiple rounds. Simply load up the air fryer and enjoy. One of the things we love about the Ninja Foodi Dual Zone digital air fryer is its versatility. It offers a wide range of cooking functions, including air frying, roasting, baking, dehydrating, and even broiling. It's like having multiple appliances all in one. The Ninja Foodi Dual Zone digital air fryer, the ultimate kitchen companion. Its dual-zone technology, large cooking capacity, versatility, user-friendly controls, outstanding cooking performance, and easy cleaning make it one of the best air fryers of 2023. Number 2. Yuten 5L Air Fryer. The Yuten Air Fryer has captured our attention with its impressive features and affordable price point. Here's why we believe it stands out from the competition. One of the standout features of the Yuten air fryer is its ease of use. With a user-friendly control panel and intuitive settings, this air fryer makes cooking a breeze, even for beginners. Simply set the desired temperature and time, and let the air fryer work its magic. When it comes to cooking performance, the Yuten air fryer delivers fantastic results. Its rapid air circulation technology ensures even and crispy cooking, giving your favorite dishes that irresistible golden finish. From crispy fries to succulent chicken wings, this air fryer brings out the best in your food. Now let's talk about safety. The Yuten air fryer is designed with your well-being in mind. It features built-in safety features such as an automatic shut-off function and a cool touch handle, ensuring that you can cook with peace of mind. Let's not forget about the easy cleanup. The Yuten air fryer's non-stick basket and detachable parts are dishwasher safe, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Number 3. Philips Air Fryer 3000 Series L. The Philips Air Fryer 3000 is all about convenience. Its user-friendly digital touchscreen interface allows for effortless control over the cooking process. With its presets and customizable settings, you have the flexibility to achieve the perfect cooking results every time. Other air fryers may have complex interfaces, but the simplicity of the Philips Air Fryer 3000 sets it apart. Cooking performance is where the Philips Air Fryer 3000 truly shines. Its powerful heating element ensures rapid and efficient cooking, while the TurboStar technology guarantees even cooking from all sides. This means you get crispy, golden, and mouth-watering dishes with less oil. Compared to other air fryers, the Philips Air Fryer 3000 consistently delivers outstanding results. By utilizing up to 90% less oil compared to traditional deep frying methods, it allows you to enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free. This is a game changer for those looking to indulge in crispy delights without compromising their health. All of these air fryers will be in the description of this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe.